So mechanical Jono, just reach without thinking about it. Feels pretty good still. Because it feels good just because you're good now. Yeah? And now put the state on consciously. Yeah. Yeah, nice, that feels pretty good. Yeah, I reckon you get sharper with the whole. I feel like your hands are asleep, wake them up. Yeah, that feels even better now. Feels like more direct. Yeah. I think it's common that people get, I've noticed that people often, their hands go soft because they want to feel relaxed. You want to have an active structure. So you want to actually feel activity in your structure, you know what I mean? Because then you can release the tension around it. Whereas if you do this, it's like, it's too relaxed, you know? You know what I mean? It's like floppy, there's no alertness. First make the shapes beautiful, then relax them. Yeah, and then move. Yeah, like that, that feels legit. Yeah, it feels like literally like a prism just attacking my center. Yeah, good. Good, man, that was easy, thanks. All right, so external stance and guard. Toes, knees pointing in, hands on hips, bring them up, triangular prism. Bring the hand back. You keep your hands in front of the center to protect your center and attack theirs. You triangulate your whole body so that all your mass attacks into their center. You're like a wedge. You're like a wedge driving into the other person. Now, some of the bonuses you can actually give your students if you've got more time is you can layer in like the idea of the shapes. So you can see here there's obvious triangles. So you can do one exercise with this is that you can get them to hold up like a kind of just a high, strong guard so they tense up, and you can get them to play around with stepping that triangle in to see how it actually wedges in, yeah? You can get them just stepping in. So I want to maintain centering, maintain stance. Bring my spine and my hips into his spine and hips. See, I'm trying to connect it in there so you can see how it attacks his balance naturally, right? And then you can layer on top of that exercise as well that they expand that triangulated shape as they step in. So as I step in, I make contact, I expand that out. Yeah? So you can get, so there's a lot of power coming through, not only from the body's mass and momentum, but also from the rotation of the shoulders and elbows as well. So that's a simple exercise you can layer in. Strong guard up, stepping forward with the guard just to feel that wedging feeling of the triangular prism. Yeah? And then you can also extend that as well. That's another exercise you can do with stance and guard. There's so many. This is all super fundamental stuff that you guys need to master so that you can A, B it, and B, teach it. It's like A, B it, and B, teach it, yeah. A, B it, and C, do it. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3.